In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an Uber Eats promo that isn't applying properly. If you've ever tried to use a promo code on Uber Eats and it just wouldn't work no matter how many times you checked and re-entered the code, you're not alone. So let's walk through some practical steps to ensure your promo gets applied and you can enjoy that delicious discounted meal you've been eyeing. First, let's ensure that your Uber Eats app is up to date. Outdated versions of the app might encounter compatibility issues which can affect the promo application process. So head to your app store, whether that's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and look for any available updates for the Uber Eats app. If an update is available, download and install it to keep everything running smoothly. Next, you'll want to double check if the promo code is eligible for the specific order you are placing. Promotions can often be subject to certain restrictions like a minimum order value, specific restaurant participation, or even validity only in certain locations or times. Carefully read the terms and conditions of the promo code you are trying to use to ensure it actually works for your intended order. Then, if your code isn't working, try logging out of your Uber Eats account and then logging back in. This might sound like a simple step, but it can refresh your session and clear out any temporary issues related to your user session, providing a fresh slate for the promo application process. If that doesn't resolve the issue, let's clear your cache data for the Uber Eats app. Cache buildup can sometimes interfere with app functions. For Android, head into your device's settings, then Apps, find Uber Eats, and finally select Clear Cache. iPhone users may need to uninstall the app and reinstall it to clear cache effectively, as there isn't a manual way to clear app cache on iOS. After clearing the cache, double-check that the promo code hasn't already been used. Many codes are single-use only, and trying to apply an already used promo won't work. You can usually find information about promo use in your account settings under the Payment or Promos section. If you've tried all these steps and the promo code is still not applying, contact Uber Eats customer support directly. They can help identify any underlying issues with your account or the specific promo code. You can access support through the app by navigating to the Help section, selecting the relevant order, or choosing the appropriate query regarding promos. And there you have it, a few straightforward steps to ensure your promo code works next time and you don't miss out on those valuable discounts. Remember, patience and a bit of troubleshooting can go a long way, and soon enough you'll have that promo successfully applied to your order.